रोजेशिया होता क्या है? सो रोजेशिया हैज 4 डिफरेंट टाइप्स। एक होता है जिसमें सिर्फ परसिस्टेंट रेडनेस रहती है इन योर सेंट्रोफेशियल पार्ट ऑफ द फेस, सो व्हिच मींस द फोरहेड, आईज, नोज एंड द चीक्स। इसमें रेडनेस रहती है, परसिस्टेंट फ्लशिंग रहती है, समटाइम्स ब्रोकन ब्लड वेसल्स रहते हैं आपकी चीक्स के ऊपर। सेकेंड पार्ट इज द विच हैज पस्टूल्स एंड पैपुल्स, मतलब छोटे छोटे आपको पिंपल्स की तरह दिखाई देगा इसी सेंट्रल एरिया ऑफ द फेस में। The third part is ocular, मतलब आंखों में lot of redness is there. And the fourth one is sphygmatis, मतलब आपका nose काफी bulbous रहता है. It has lot of acne and persistent redness रहती है. So these are the 4 kinds of rosacea. Rosacea is a very close association with a certain kind of mites called as Demodex. So इसका जो ट्रीटमेंट होता है वो कई कबार एंटीबायोटिक की वजह से भी होता है. Also it has a certain association with H. pylori bacteria which remains in your stomach. So somebody who has a lot of stomach infections can also have rosacea. Some of the triggers of rosacea are spicy food, alcohol intake, mood swings. Also, you might notice it more in your 3rd or 4th decade of life where a lot of hormonal changes are going on. It has a very strong genetic component. If somebody in your family has rosacea, you could also start seeing the signs and symptoms much earlier. So आप जैसे ही you go out in the sun, you see a lot of redness and flushing, which doesn't go even once you come inside. Apart from these common triggers, rosacea is also associated to a lot of neurological disorders, stomach disorders, and cardiovascular disorders. Before we get into the treatment plan, it's very important to let you know that it's a good idea to always consult with a dermatologist, consult with a skincare expert who has a lot of experience in treating this. So self-treatment, self-medication and suffering is not the way. Talking about the treatment, the first line of treatment is using healing creams and sun protection. So avoiding triggers is another one. So in case you feel like you have rosacea, it's a good idea to cut alcohol in diet as well as in skincare products. Products containing alcohol, fragrance, these are all triggers that can make your rosacea worse. Depending on the clinical presentations, the treatment is decided by the doctor. So in case you have pustular and acneiform eruptions on the face, you might be advised certain antibiotic creams. In case you have broken blood vessels, you might be given certain ceramide-rich creams, certain healing creams containing Centella asiatica or Cica extracts or hyaluronic acid or peptides to improve your skin barrier. So rosacea is treated very differently depending on the different kinds of presentations that we see. So if you say you have broken blood vessels on the face, then the skin barrier is damaged. We want to hydrate, we want to lock in, and we want to protect the skin. So ceramide-rich products, peptide-rich products, serums containing vitamin B3 and hyaluronic acid are very good for protecting the skin. Sunscreen is very important. So we've seen that mineral sunscreens work much better than chemical sunscreens, silicone-based sunscreen, or even matte sunscreen. Hydrating products are the way forward. If you have acneiform eruptions, which means you have little pustules, little bumps on the face, you might be needing certain antibiotic creams, certain retinoids. Again, I would recommend that not to start these on your own. It's very important that a doctor can come in and help you navigate it better. रोजेशिया एक बहुत ही कॉमन और क्रॉनिक स्किन कंडीशन है. इट इज़ वेरी मच ट्रीटेबल. इसको अगर आप अच्छे स्किन केयर रूटीन को मेंटेन करें, अपना सन प्रोटेक्शन कीजिए, इसको हाइड्रेशन मेंटेन करें, तो आप इसको डेफिनेटली मैनेज कर सकते हैं इवन ऑन योर ओन. बट इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ योर जर्नी इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आप एक स्किन केयर एक्सपर्ट की सलाह लें जो आपको हेल्प कर सके आप कैसे इसको नेविगेट करें, so that the products that you use, it gets you to a place where you don't need certain products anymore. So अगर एंटीबायोटिक क्रीम की रिक्वायरमेंट है, इसको आपको लॉन्ग टर्म नहीं यूज़ करना है. When to stop it will all be taken care of. There are certain oral supplements which help a lot in skin barrier protection. जैसे omega 3 है, vitamin E है, multivitamins which are specific to this concern. Probiotics also have a very important role आपके स्किन केयर, आपके स्किन बैरियर को रीइंफोर्स करने के लिए. अब प्रोबायोटिक आप कैसे लें, ओरली लें, टॉपिकली लें, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है ये आपको एक स्किन केयर एक्सपर्ट ही एडवाइस कर सकता है. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया टू टेक अ कंसल्टेशन. सो यू कैन गो टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो जहाँ पे आपका वीडियो कंसल्ट का लिंक होगा. आप एक पर्सनलाइज्ड ट्रीटमेंट प्लान ले सकते हैं रोजेशिया का टू टैकल दिस एंड टू मैनेज रोजेशिया वेरी वेरी इफेक्टिवली.